everybody, so today I'm going to be reviewing this toilet brush. So on one side of the box it just kind of tells you the measurements, things like that, and then on another side it shows you a little how-to instructions. I'm going to go ahead and open this. So the first thing I pull out are the little seamless stickers that will hold your toilet brush. And then you have all the pieces to assemble it. These two are for the handle, and then of course you have your toilet brush holder. So the first thing you want to do is unpackage both those rod pieces. Take this end of the rod and screw it into this. Alright, and then inside you have the bristle part, and you're going to go ahead and screw that on to this end. Alright, so now it is all assembled, and then you just place it in there, and then on the back here is where those sticker mounts will go. What I really love about this toilet brush is that it is a silicone brush and it's not those bristles. So I think this will last a lot longer and be more durable. And overall, I think it will clean a whole lot better since it's more sturdier. Silicone bristles, it can really scrub it nice and hard. It's also very small, so it won't be bulky and look unflattering in your bathroom. It also has a detachable bristles, and it can really get in those tight teeny corners and clean your toilet very nicely.